good morning everybody. Today we look like we start Lao New Year Festival. And first of all, we have the procession of the elephant on the main street. Just start from Wat That Noi to Wat Sieng Thong Temple. That's amazing and very interesting. Have a look with me, please. Look at this. It's the elephants. Amazing, right? This bouquet of flower represent Basil ceremony. When you prepare like that, you have tie your hand like this. So we call Basil ceremony. Like this, my hand.